With close to 50 years of experience in contract machining, tool design, and machine building, Triple E is cranked up to deliver you even the most complicated parts quickly. Even your most demanding jobs are no match for our skilled machinists, highly experienced in setups and tooling selection. With our roots as a screw machine house, our spindle machines can produce your parts dramatically faster than any other, while reducing costs compared to parts produced on a standard CNC lathe. Our 5-axis machining capabilities give us the ability to machine complex shapes in a single setup to improve efficiency, saving you time and costs. With efficient, expedited, and expert capabilities, Triple E delivers what you need when you need it. It's everything you'd expect from a proud member of the Caster Concepts family. Caster Concepts, beyond standard.